Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Charlotte. I can see you laughing. Today I'm joined with a guest. I'm joined with my not so little sister. Introduce herself.
Hi everyone, I'm Danny.
And she has her own channel, which I will link in the description for you.
Yeah.
Today, Danny is going to be doing my makeup. She has absolutely no experience whatsoever in makeup.
No.
Do you, Danny?
Not
She hasn't got a clue.
Mm.
So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. Got my makeup bag here. Are you excited?
Yeah, but I'm just going to do terrible, so...
So, yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. What do you think I should start off with?
Your eyes first.
Oh, you want to start with the eyes? Okay, fine. Go for it. This is the eyeshadow palette. Okay. And,
Any colour.
yeah, what colour are you going to go for?
Maybe this one.
You're going to use the shimmer shade?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you just blow on it?
Yeah. Why?
You're being very gentle.
Because I'm scared I'm going to dig it in your eye. Oh, that is pretty good, not going to lie. Wow. Oh, I think I've used a different colour.
That's okay. Mix it up.
I forgot what colour I used.
Jesus Christ, the whole thing's going through my eye.
That's
You've
good.
gotta be very
That's good
gentle.
already.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's just,
But then now
it's
you've
just
got
down
to-
here.
Now you got to do the other one. You can't just do one.
I know, I'm getting to that.
Wow, you're really getting it on there, aren't you?
This look is like going out if you want to go out.
Oh,
On
it's
a
a going
night
out.
out.
Oh, it's a
Yeah.
night out look.
Yeah.
Okay. Happy? Is
Can
that...
I wipe that bit under your
Yeah,
thing?
go for it.
Wait, should I wet it first?
You gonna lick it or?
Well, we're gonna, but... Oh, it's smudging on your face.
Okay,
It's
are
not
you done with
coming off
eyeshadow? Or are you
anymore.
just doing that? Are you just doing the one eyeshadow?
I'm gonna do Bassett.
You don't want to use any others. You just want to
No.
use that one.
Yeah.
You're quite happy.
Mhm.
Okay, so what do you want to do next? Do you want to put any mascara on?
Yeah.
You're turning 17. Like you should. Surely you want to wear mascara, no?
I don't need no makeup. I'm not being vain there. Just saying.
Do you want me to blink or what? You're just going forward to my eye. You can tell me what to do.
I'm gonna say blink.
Blink.
Blink now. 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 Now.
I'm not even blinking. You're just moving it all. Okay, other one.
Mhm.
Is this not your dominant hand?
How do I hold it in my left hand?
Like,
Are you okay? So we finished the mascara.
oh, you finished the eyes then?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
I want to move on to eyebrows now, I think.
Okay. So
Oh, I know what this is for. That's for your
eyebrows.
underneath the bottom bit. I've seen you do it before.
Okay, go on then.
Doing anything?
You have to push a bit hard.
Mhm.
You can like proper push it on my eyebrow.
No, it's done.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Head back.
Head back.
I can't see. Yeah. Okay.
Is that how my eyebrows normally look?
Yeah.
Foundation.
Yeah.
So there you go. Do you put this one on you with your hands? Because I don't have a. It's like a BB cream. You rub it in with your rub it in with your fingers.
Am I using my finger?
Yeah, yeah. It's BB cream, so it'll rub in really easily. Is it rubbing in?
Yeah, I'm going to put some on all over and then rub it in after.
Okay. It's like I'm getting a massage. You enjoying this?
Yeah, it's actually quite fun.
Does it feel like you're doing GCSE art?
No.
You've gone from being so gentle to literally
it's hardly
like,
rubbing
give me
in.
wrinkles. It should rub in really easy. I put moisturiser on. What about my nose?
I'm doing that. Give me a chance.
like you're sandpapering with my face. Okay.
Oh. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, that's done.
You didn't blend it in. Like, what about my neck?
Well, there's hardly a lot on. It's a bit hard.
Yeah, I can.
Your forehead's like orange.
You're so wrong.
Right, that's it.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to do concealer?
Yeah. I can do that.
Oh,
Where
now
does
where
concealer
do
go?
you think you put it? Like.
I know you've done triangles.
Mhm.
And then you put some on your chin, then don't you do it on your
Okay,
nose
yeah,
and that on your forehead?
yeah. You know.
Yeah. I don't watch Jeffree Star for no reason. Yeah.
Okay. That was all in my eye. Sorry. Be like, you're supposed to do like patting motion.
I've ruined dry makeup now. Why is it not rubbing in?
It is.
It's not, because it's pale still.
I told you not to use a lot. You're really moving the product, aren't you?
Is it going to dry? Do I need to do it fast?
Well, the longer you leave it, it's going to settle.
Oh, bloody hell. Am I going to move quick?
I mean, I'm usually a bit more gentle when I'm doing it under my eyes with my finger. Don't look like a ghost now.
No, it actually looks quite good.
Or does it?
Yeah.
Don't look like Kim Kardashian.
Yeah. Okay, perfect.
Now, do you want to set that with some powder?
Yeah.
I can give you a brush. Okay, so there's some powder and a brush to set it with. You can use whichever powder
Who's
you
this
like.
by?
I don't know, it's rubbed off. Probably Morphe.
Yeah, about to say it looks
It's-
like that.
yeah, I've had it some time.
What colour goes with...
Well, whatever you want to set it with so it doesn't move. Whichever colour you think I am.
this one, because it's been used more.
Okay, you can use that one.
Do I need a lot of this? Or
Not really. Yeah, that's fine.
Where I put this? Just anywhere?
Just where you put the concealer. So then that keeps it in place.
Okay.
So, you know, do you have like oily skin or do you have quite dry skin?
Dry.
You have dry.
Not a thing I like to admit, but that's fine. Right, that's done.
Yeah, you set the makeup, you're happy?
I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty sick. I'm not
You're
gonna
happy
lie
with
to
it.
you.
You're happy with it.
Yeah.
Do you know what comes next?
Eyebrows.
You've done eyebrows.
Oh, what else is there to do?
Bronzer. Like how she's holding it. Why are you holding it like that?
Do you want me to hold it alright?
Yeah, like it's a pen.
Yay.
Why are you putting it on my chin?
I don't know where it's meant to go.
Like, do you know like what contouring is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what that's for, and you've just put it on my chin.
No, that's fine. Add a little bit to your
You've
face.
not done my forehead.
Well, might as well do the whole thing then, haven't you? Pretty good, pretty good.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to put some highlighter on?
Yeah.
Do you know where it goes?
I've seen you do it before. It's like on your cheekbones.
Yeah.
Just your cheekbones, yeah?
Just my cheekbones if you want. You put it in other places if you want to, but it's up to you.
I'll give you that glow.
Exactly. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Is it good? Do you like it?
I can't really see on this side, actually. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah? You happy with it?
Yeah.
Do you want to use lip liner or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the only one I fetched was the Kylie Cosmetics one.
Oh, Kylie. Go.
Why am I doing this?
Are you not meant to?
No, go for it, go for it.
Oh, this is my downfall. Look how bad it is. Oh, Charlotte. Okay, I'm just going to go for it. I'm not going too slow. Yeah.
Which one do you think is gonna look better?
This one.
That one?
Yeah, it matches your eyes.
Pink eye. Oh, you mean, I thought you meant my eye colour.
No.
Why are you shaking?
I don't know.
I want Kylie Jenner lips, okay?
Yeah. Did you see that?
That was a bottle.
Don't laugh, because it's going to go in your mouth, okay?
Okay.
We're going to have to cover that lip liner. Oh god, it's terrible. It's terrible.
You want to put my lips together?
Yeah, yeah. Oh god. Yeah.
Yeah? You're happy with that?
Yeah, but your lip liner's really bad. It's not coming off.
Why is it all the way down there?
I don't know. Better.
Is this it? Is this you done now?
Yeah.
You finished?
Yeah.
Can I have a look?
It looked good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Is this how I usually do my makeup on the daily?
Yeah. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. It's really quite good.
I'm actually pretty interested to see how it looks. Do you know what? It's actually better than what I thought you'd do.
It's actually good,
Yeah.
isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
So that is the finished makeup look by my younger sister, Danny. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, because that really helps me out, and subscribe to me down below to see new videos every Friday. And my younger sister, she also has a channel. It's just Danny Farrow.
Danny
isn't it?
Farrow, yeah.
And I'll leave the link in the description below. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video.
Bye.
I felt like that was not on my lip whatsoever. That was on my chin. You're pretty happy with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah.